So, my dear friends, I am Grandmaster Pranav Puri from Vidyasagar Institute of Reiki. So, just to talk to you about Reiki, in simple one word, Reiki is a life force energy. That is our Pran Urja. This is the one and the only force or mother of all forces, you can say, due to which, or you can say due to its effect, we are able to talk to each other. We are able to walk, move our body, think, see, hear, and do all those activities for which we have taken birth. Now it is very necessary to know that it is a vital life force energy, but should not be confused with oxygen. So in detail we will be knowing what Reiki is up to level 3. Level 1, level 2, level 2 is much more powerful with many new things into it. And then level 3, in a way making you a healer with specialities and everything what you need. My mobile number is 8860732527. Don't take it lightly. It is everything. It is the source of all other healing modalities. If taken properly, if you are introduced to it in its original self, in which it came, it will change your life. That is promised and assured. It is none other but the divine Usui Reiki. Starting from level 1, going into level 2, and finally the level 3. Enough for your healing, practicing and fulfilling all your manifestations. It becomes a full circle. Become a professional healer in its true sense. Don't compare it with the cheap stuff, which actually has been introduced to many just for commercial gains. This divine Reiki power in its true sense is very simple and yet more powerful. Learn all the techniques. Have proper and complete attunement in its original way in which the Japanese used to give the attunement. So, even if you have done Reiki earlier, from anywhere, and if you are not satisfied, then please come. Join us and take the benefit of original Reiki. the Reiki should be given for the purpose of helping the entire society. So it is brought by the famous and old established, internationally recognized Vidyasagar Institute of Reiki to make you an original Usui Reiki healer. Join and see the difference. Thank you. I am Mr. Pranav Puri, the Reiki Grandmaster and the Grandmaster of many other modalities, having an experience of about approximately 30 years in this spirituality, and have healed and taught many grandmasters. So have the original taste of Reiki with Grandmaster Mr. Pranav Puri on behalf of Vidyasagar Institute of Reiki. Mobile number is 8860732527. Thank you.